Hey guys, welcome back to my video. And today, the towel. Now is now. Sorry, I did not make video for the long time. I was so obviously. So, let's go. And we're here. Chance, come. I'll show you something. I'll show you something. Oh.
What are you using to clean that wall?
And now.
I did throw the one leech. Many leech and snakes. More snakes.
And now they're gone. All of them is gone. All of them is gone in this whole entire house. Says me, my sister, my uncle, my dad, and the workers, and also my grandpa. And now this is all the boarding.
Hi.
We're cleaning because they drink, smoke, and everything.
Hello. Gonna go up. There's so many cement.
And of course, we're cleaning the poop.
Like again. It's nicer out here. See? It's nicer.
And of course, don't mess up my other videos. Don't mess up with my other videos. And if you want to request 3 a.m. videos, of course I can do it. But only August. So today, I showed you this part. I did not show you this part, right? Our mini plants. I'm not using camera. I'm not using my tab. I'm using my phone.
Where's apple there? Hi. Oh, this one na Raisi. Sagada ma. Ay nag-iit kita kita apan kualan pag sagada. You go get the one that's
Guys, it's already 5 past 8.
Tito Tonton, can you get one that is
Now we're already cleaning. Get the dustpan in my hand. Just put it right here. And bye guys. See you soon.